Hi, this is the completed AU-6 or adding unit 6, despite the fact that sign says 1. It can add digits. It took me ages to build, especially the display. It was painful as hell. It's a very simple 2-bit adding machine. The name stands for adding unit 6, and it's 6 because it can only add to 6. So for example, I can go 3 and 2, so we've got input A and input B, and then that'll give me 5. I can go like 2 and 1, and it'll give me 3. I can do 1 and hang on. I've lost track of it now. I can do 1 and 3. It should give me 4. Yep, 4. Give me 3 and 3. Give me 6. And so on. I'm pretty sure those are all the combinations. Oh no, I haven't gone to 2 yet. Hang on. 1. Oh, wait, I can go 1 and 1. 1 and 1 gives me 2. Or I can just straight up put 1. It gives me 1. Or if I'm feeling like that, I can just put 2. It equals 2, obviously. So yeah, that's the machine. That's a function. So it works by putting input A and input B into an encoder. So you've got 1, 2, and 3. So very simple binary. You can see where the redstone torches are. Sort of flips itself over. So you've got 1A, 1B, 2A, and 2B. So say if I have 1 and 1, the 1 column or the 1 line is activated on both the encoders. They go through NOT gates here into 1A and 1B, into an AND gate, but of course, because it's kind of both a NOT and an AND gate, what do you call it? I don't know. I think it's like an X AND or something. It goes through where we would usually go through, but because both of them are activated, it goes up, deactivates these, goes through this, so it's an AND gate, so that's a NAND gate, and then this is the carry line, which takes it over to the 2 column, and outputs, including the overflow, it outputs 0, 1, 0, which is then decoded into 2, and then encoded, hang on, it's encoded back into the display as such. To demonstrate the overflow, what I'll do is I will add 2 and 3. So you see 2 column goes in, activates that, 3 activates that, so that goes here. So we've got, hang on, so we're adding 2 and 3. So we have 1B which is activated. We have 2A and 2B that's activated. So it goes up here, because it overloads this. It goes up here, it goes onto the carry line. This is the overflow. And then the 1 continues along here, so we get 101. Goes over here, comes out with 5. Goes over here, is encoded again, and we get 5. So, very, very simple. I might expand it. I might expand in the future, but this is it for now.